Ideogram versus Kittl. Which AI design tool should you use? Choosing the right AI design tool can transform your creative workflow without wasting time or resources. Ideogram offers AI-powered image generation, while Kittl focuses on vector-based graphic design. Ideogram and Kittl are AI design tools with distinct approaches. Ideogram excels in generating AI-driven images from text prompts, while Kittl provides a powerful vector graphic editor enhanced with AI features. The core difference lies in image creation versus graphic design customization. Ideogram is an AI-powered image generation platform designed to create unique visuals based on user prompts. It uses advanced machine learning models to interpret text inputs and generate high-quality images that can be used for creative projects, marketing, or concept art. The platform is straightforward, uses type a description, and Ideogram produces multiple image variations quickly. Its strengths lie in rapid creativity and the ability to produce diverse artwork without needing design skills. However, Ideogram's outputs are primarily raster images, limiting scalability for print or large format users. It's ideal for users who need fresh, imaginative visuals fast, such as content creators, marketers, and artists looking for inspiration or ready-made images. For those requiring detailed graphic editing or scalable vector files, Ideogram might not fully meet their needs. Kittl is a vector graphic design tool enhanced with AI capabilities, focusing on creating scalable designs such as logos, posters, and social media graphics. It combines a user-friendly interface with AI-powered features like smart layout suggestions and automated design adjustments. Kittl allows users to work with vector shapes, text, and images, making it highly versatile for detailed customization. The AI assists with speeding up design workflows but doesn't replace manual control, ensuring precision and creativity. One limitation is that while AI helps streamline tasks, it requires some familiarity with graphic design principles to fully leverage its potential. Kittl is best suited for designers, marketers, and small business owners who want to create professional, scalable graphics with AI-enhanced efficiency, especially when print-ready or brand-consistent designs are needed. Comparing Ideogram and Kittl highlights their different strengths. Ideogram excels at quickly generating creative images from text prompts, ideal for digital content and concept visuals where scalability isn't critical. Kittl, on the other hand, offers detailed vector graphic editing with AI support, perfect for projects requiring precise layouts and scalable outputs like logos or print materials. If you need fast, unique images without design skills, Ideogram fits well. For projects demanding control over every design element and scalability, Kittl is the better choice. The trade-off is between rapid image generation and detailed graphic customization. Both tools enhance creativity but cater to different stages of the design process. Choose Ideogram if you want quick, AI-generated images for digital projects without needing vector scalability or advanced design skills. Opt for Kittl when you require precise, scalable vector designs enhanced by AI, especially for branding and print. Both tools offer unique advantages depending on your design goals, so select the one that aligns best with your workflow and project needs.